Alright guys, here's an incline barbell bench press for the upper pecs. Okay, so with this exercise we want to come down with slow and controlled negatives. Alright, we don't want to use momentum and bob off the chest. Okay, also make sure that you're focusing on only lowering that bar until the arms get about 90 degrees. Okay, and that's going to be optimal for tension on the chest and lead to a lot less injuries on the shoulder and rotator cuffs. Okay, so try these out. Also, another big tip is making sure you don't lock out on the top of the movement, guys. So focus on the quality, train smart, and the gains will come. So great combo right here. Focusing on doing a low dumbbell fly on an incline bench. This incline bench is about 70 degrees or so, so I'm hitting 8 to 10 reps. Focusing on making a V out in front of my lower pecs. Focusing on the contraction. Then I'm gonna go right into body weight push-ups, elbows in, full range of motion. Okay, focusing on tricep and the chest contractions for 8 repetitions. Alright, and then I'm going to be focusing on another exercise here, which is going to be a plank to push up. 5 reps with each arm, guys. So you can see right here, tucking my arm back to where my elbows are, shifting from right to left. And that's going to be this kind of good combo that I've been incorporating. So always switch things up, be creative, and the results will always be there. Alright, so with this flat alternating press, just really make sure you use a weight that you have full control over. If it's too heavy, you're going to find like your body shifting from left to right, okay? Also notice that I'm slightly tilting my thumbs in or down to keep tension on my chest muscle, and that's an advanced tip with any dumbbell press, okay? Also make sure that you only bring those dumbbells down so your elbows form about 90 degrees on the bottom. That's going to eliminate tension on your shoulders and prevent injuries. Okay, so just focus on balance and control and the results will come a lot faster. So here are 3 different variations of floor cable flies, guys. This one is going to be for the middle of the chest. You can see just pretty much like a standard fly. The floor is going to really help prevent us from stretching too deep, and it's going to teach our bodies how to do the right biomechanics for a cable fly. And you see right here I'm positioning my body up a little bit and doing a lower cable fly to hit the upper chest. And then last, I'm going to be positioning my body the other way so the cables are a little bit higher and bringing them down by my belly button to really focus on the lower chest muscles. So 3 different variations, guys. Even doing these back to back to back will really create a different burn and will keep that muscle confused and keep you progressing throughout your workouts.